Welcome to Bennett GM in Cambridge, your trusted vehicle destination. Discover the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in sterling metallic. Powered by a 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel i6 engine with only 10 kilometers on the odometer. This Denali Reserve Package truck features striking sterling metallic paint, leather seats, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. Ride on 22-inch painted aluminum wheels with bright chrome inserts, complemented by GMC Multi-Pro power steps and a sunroof. Safety is top-notch with blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and front collision mitigation. Ready to drive your dream car? Visit us at 445 Hespeler Road or call 519-621-1250 today.